This is yoga for runners, breaking down a horse squat to strengthen the glutes and the quadriceps. You're going to take a nice wide stance with the heels in, toes out. Feet are going to be at an angle that the knees can match so that there's no excess pressure on the knees. And you're engaging the external glutes to help externally rotate the thighs. The heels will hug into the midline as if you're trying to scrunch the mat between the feet. And you're going to keep that hugging in action, whether you're lifting or lowering, as if you're trying to resist gravity the entire time. You're going to repeat this until you feel fatigued, squatting as deep as is comfortable for the pelvis. And as you lift back up, straighten the legs without hyperextending the joints. All right, there you go. Happy practice.